there, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be working in my Illustrated Faith Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional, and I've made it to session 4, which I'm pretty proud of. This will mean I've done all 4 sessions this month instead of only 2, so I'm pretty happy with that. So our verse today says we're in Jeremiah 29:11, so let's turn to that. And so it appears I have already done this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I've picked another card because I knew I'd already done it because I checked. I know I cheated. So today I'm going to go ahead and do 2 Thessalonians 3:16, which is way back here in the back. And it says, "Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you." So I really like that. I love that there's nothing here already. So since I did last week's session was this cute little card. It says His Peace and it's got the candles down here. I copied this card kind of on the front of my Bible page here. I really like how that turned out. So I'm going to attempt to do sort of the same thing with this card on my page, make a popsicle and some dots and stuff like that, and we'll see how it goes from there. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward and we will get started. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for me today for Bible journaling. I hope you had fun. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.